As we gather here in the green and serene capital of Pakistan, it is my great pleasure and honor to extend a very warm welcome to our international delegates and esteemed partners. I wish to express our profound gratitude to His Majesty King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud and His Royal Highness Crown Prince and Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud for their support and patronage of this conference. Today we have a galaxy of professionals in the field of education, experts, chancellors, professors, teachers, and of course, Malala Yousafzai, who was a symbol of resilience and courage and became the youngest Nobel laureate, championing education around the globe. Welcome, Malala, to your own homeland.